In this video, I'm going to show you how to. So first off, you make sure that Xbox in your PC is installed, and as you can see, you just have to search in Microsoft Store, the Xbox. Just search for Xbox. Now, if you cannot find the provider of this Xbox, so you just have to search in the browser. As you can see, Xbox Identity Provider. You must download this usually to fix the problem. Download it and also download the Xbox. Once you are done with downloading the Xbox, once you are done downloading with Xbox or things like that, if it will work because the Xbox Identity provider will also help within the Xbox, you must reinstall your Xbox or just go to xbox.com or just go to Xbox, then open file location. Okay. Seconds, as you can see, you have Xbox here. Just go to app settings. As you can see in here, you must repair or you could reset it. Now, if it doesn't work, just go uninstall and reinstall again. And that is just how you fix the problem. And you could also go to Windows R and local app data. Then just search for Xbox and delete its folder. And that's it. And this is I recommended. Just install this to, as you can see, it enables PC games to connect to Xbox Live, and that's it.